Oh, what do we got out there? Something out there.
There's the airboat.
There's something. There's a guy on a boat in red. You see him? What the heck?
What's up with this guy?
What's he doing out there? What's he doing? We gotta get our lights on. Get him over here.
They didn't tell us he had a long white
Yeah,
beard.
he's got a white beard. Oh, he's got a reindeer on there too. It's Santa! Santa's out on Lake Madness on our airboat. There goes Santa.
That's awesome.
Santa, I know him. Santa's out there. We gotta figure out how we can talk to Santa. My goodness. Santa's out there. Oh, where'd he launch? Santa!
Just remember.
We're gonna go over there, he said.
I was about to remind people. That man right there in the red suit,
Yeah.
he knows when you've been naughty. And he knows when you've been nice.
Well, we have a special connection with Santa. We're here at the sheriff's office, and Santa is gonna. I don't know where the launch is there. You see it? Oh, here it is, right here.
Oh, there we go.
Right here. Santa is going to help us cheer people up this Christmas. And so, besides going around on the lakes and seeing people that live on the lake, Santa's going to ride with us. Santa is with us. Oh, he's probably going to run right up on us. Check that out.
There's that gentle incline Jeremy was talking about.
Going again. Hang on a second. That's too bad. Lost our feed there, Santa.